Today I'm going to show you how to operate a mini excavator. This is an 08 model excavator. To start the machine, first turn on the emergency brake switch. Lift the throttle and turn on the key. These two are walking control levers. And pushing forward at the same time is forward. Pushing backwards at the same time is backward. The excavator is controlled by two joysticks. This is the left joystick. Control the forearm to extend forward and retract backward. Left control for left turn, right control for right turn. This is the right joystick. Control the arm to extend forward and retract backward. Left and right control bucket. The middle lever controls the blade. Okay, now let's put it into practice.